Welcome back to the Review Garage, the place where we dive deep into the most thrilling machines redefining the automotive world. If you love performance, design, and the future of cars, you're in the right spot. Today, we're talking about something truly special, something that blends raw Italian passion with next-generation innovation. Lamborghini has just pulled the covers off the all-new 2026 Lamborghini Temerario, and it's every bit as extreme and exciting as the name suggests. The Temerario marks the beginning of a new era for Lamborghini, following in the footsteps of the iconic Aventador and Revuelto. This car isn't just another hypercar, it's a bold statement about where supercars are headed in the next decade. Lamborghini describes it as their most advanced V12 plug-in hybrid yet. And when you take one look at it, you know this is far from ordinary. Let's start with the design. Because, as always with Lamborghini, looks are half the story. The takes inspiration from aerospace technology, with razor-sharp angles, aggressive aerodynamic elements, and a stance that looks like it's ready to launch off the ground. The Y-shaped LED headlights, the sculpted hood, and the enormous air intakes scream performance. Around the back, you'll find an intricate taillight design, a massive rear diffuser, and of course, a pair of gigantic exhaust outlets that hint at the beast lurking underneath. The whole car has been shaped with active aerodynamics in mind. Adjustable wings, flaps, and ducts all work together to keep it glued to the road, while also reducing drag when maximum speed is the goal. Now, the heart of the Temerario is where things get even more exciting. Lamborghini has kept its promise of sticking with a naturally aspirated V1 too, but this time it's paired with a cutting-edge hybrid system. The 6.5-liter V12 alone produces over 850 horsepower, and when combined with 3 electric motors, total output jumps to an earth-shaking 1,050 horsepower. That means this raging bull isn't just loud and dramatic, it's also one of the quickest Lamborghinis ever built. 0 to 60, around 2.3 seconds. Top speed, well over 220 miles per hour. Numbers that make your head spin. But Lamborghini knows that performance isn't just about speed. It's about how the car feels. The Temerario uses a lightweight carbon fiber monocoque chassis, a newly developed torque vectoring system, an active suspension that adjusts in milliseconds to driving conditions. The result is a car that feels just as capable, carving up a winding mountain road as it does, blasting down a straightaway. And thanks to its hybrid system, it can even cruise in full electric mode for short distances, making it surprisingly versatile in everyday situations. Step inside the cabin, and Lamborghini continues its tradition of making the driver feel like a fighter pilot. The dashboard is dominated by digital screens, with a configurable instrument cluster, a massive central display, and even a passenger screen to keep co-pilots engaged. The steering wheel has integrated drive mode selectors, letting you switch between electric, hybrid, and performance settings instantly. The materials are pure Lamborghini leather, Alcantara forged carbon, and just the right mix of luxury and aggression. What really sets the Temerario apart, though, is its philosophy. This isn't just about being the loudest, fastest, or most outrageous car on the road. It's about proving that hybrid technology can make supercars even more thrilling. Lamborghini has managed to stay true to its DNA while embracing the future. And that balance is what makes the Temerario such a landmark car. So, what do you think? Is the Lamborghini Temerario the ultimate expression of the modern supercar? Is it a glimpse of something even bigger coming down the road? One thing's for sure, this machine has set a new standard for design, performance, and innovation. That's all for today's deep dive into the 2026 Lamborghini. If you enjoyed this look at Lamborghini's next generation beast, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the Review Garage, and ring the bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. We've got plenty more exciting reveals, reviews, and insights coming your way. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.